Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make pumpkin spice turkey chili. Sounds weird, but it's going to be delicious, I promise. So you just start off with some neutral oil. I'm using coconut oil. Then you add mirepoix, which is carrots, onions, and celery. You saute those bad boys up until they're translucent or just at least a little bit soft. Next you're going to add all your spices. So I have cumin, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, chili powder, freshly grated nutmeg. So I have all the amounts down in the description with the recipe. So you just add in all your seasonings, make sure it coats all the vegetables, then you're ready to toss in your turkey. If you don't want to use turkey, don't use turkey, make it vegan, vegetarian, I don't know, surprise me. Once the turkey is fully cooked and coated in the spices, throw in sage and then you're done with the herbs. Next, you're going to add in 1 can of beans. I'm using kidney beans. 1 can or 2 cups of chicken broth. You can also use vegetarian if you're making it vegetarian, obvi. Then 1 can of pumpkin. I know, weird, right? But it's going to taste good. So you just throw in your pumpkin with your liquids and your beans on your spices. And then if you think it's too thick, just add a little bit more water. That's what I did. Let it simmer for 2 hours and then take out the sage bundle. And then, oh my god, you're done. You're ready to serve and enjoy pumpkin spice turkey chili. Happy 45 nights of pumpkin spice. Like, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.